A fusion of softness, beauty, and strength, Innovia Carpet creates an ambiance that elevates any room. It's crafted to be luxurious and durable, distinguishing itself from other brands, making it a confident choice. Whether the selection is Innovia or Innovia Touch, the quality is difficult to surpass. Innovia is one of the softest carpet options on the market, constructed of more filaments than most. Its fabulous feel is apparent from the first step. It's a unique, ultra-soft carpet that is comfort reimagined. It's easy to boast of its beauty. Innovia is available in a variety of styles, Berber, patterns, and classic textures, plus a wide range of rich, deep colors, including multi-tones and tweeds. Best of all, with color-grabbing technology and fade resistance, its vibrancy endures. This carpet offers not only beauty, but also brawn. The strength of Innovia can be found in its defense against abrasive wear, crushing, pet accidents, soil, and stains, along with texture retention. That's resounding resiliency, and it's backed by industry-leading warranties. Innovia is excellent for the environment. It has natural-based fibers made from renewable plant-based ingredients. Innovia qualifies for LEED points in several categories, and it has the Carpet and Rug Institute's Green Label Plus certification for indoor air quality. Innovia is a carpet that's easy to maintain and clean, which is why Xtreme Clean accompanies its name. There's no call to use topical anti-soiling agents or harsh chemicals. Innovia is crafted from Innotex. This eco-friendly technology propels the carpet's soft touch, while also helping to repel spills. The worry of liquid messes is washed away, so to speak. Thanks to the Innotex technology, cleanups are fast, simple, and safe. Your local ProSource showroom is where Innovia can be experienced firsthand. Explore a breakthrough carpet which blends a rare combination of long-lasting beauty, supreme softness, and powerful performance. It's engineered to be the ideal choice when exquisite looks and remarkable durability are desired. Innovia, an innovation in carpet.